Good morning, everyone, and welcome to Onboard. This is our day 2 for our DevOps and AWS journey. Okay. Uh, I can see that your count is good. 34, 35 counts is there. Anyone is here who is completely new, who haven't attended the yesterday evening class or yesterday morning class also? Anyone here? Raise your hand, please. No, one. Okay, only one, two. Okay, cool. No worries, only two. And how many people are there who attended the morning also? Mahesh, I saw. I think you are available. Okay, how many people are there who attended the morning, 11, and evening? Uh, Ankur, you are the person who attended all the three classes yesterday? Arey, at least unmute and tell me. Ankur, you are telling? Ankur, Mahesh? Arey, unmute and tell me, please. It will be good.
Yes.
All the three?
Yes.
Good. How was the 11 a.m. class?
It was good.
Okay, you understood something? It was the
Hmm.
last day.
Hmm.
Okay, cool. I think I know some more people has joined. Subhanshu has joined it. Rajesh T joined it the 11 a.m. Yes or no?
Yeah.
Okay. And are you able to just imagine or able to understand that how the infrastructure will get created in future with the help of Terraform? How the deployment or how the infrastructure will get created with the help of Terraform? Just a three commands.
Yeah.
Right, so this is what till this journey we will learn that part. Okay, cool, good. Okay, let me start the things as per our today's agenda. Guys, let me give a very quick overview what exactly it is. This is DevOps plus AWS journey. Okay, 50 plus online live kind of thing, live LED sessions. I will share my screen, I will share my video, and I will be the person who will primarily speak, give the enough knowledge about all the modules, 40% theory, 60% practicals, and n number of practicals. Okay, and in the today class also I will make not only one, two practicals I will make it. Okay, and one practical is Windows 11 creation. Okay, with the help of Docker. At the end we will see that also. Okay, cool. And definitely three real-time projects will be there for sure. Okay, and n number of projects. Okay, you can't even count it at the end of this class as well, that how many projects or how many assignments we did. Okay, a workshop, interview preparation, and whatever you feel that it's required to get into the job, we will provide it to you. Okay, and resume, interview calls, everything. Okay, and preparation will be very unlimited kind of thing. These all tools we are going to learn in our journey. Okay, cool. In the yesterday, we have reached till this place. Yes. Okay, we reached till this place. Success story I have shown. Okay, some placement about with the help of BJS, with the help of me, and yes, and we make the success. Okay, and you will be a part of this success at the end of this session or in between of these sessions as well. It's not like at the end batches are not finished but people are placed. Yesterday you saw that I think you meet with 2% or 3%, right, who got placed. Yes or no, guys? Sanendu or someone please let me know what they told quickly, just in one line. Mahesh, who attended? Mahesh, Rajesh, you attended, right? How many interviews they given and they got placed?
I couldn't remember how many interviews, but they got placed. Sorry about that.
Rajesh, you missed the very important point. Very bad. Anyone else?
And one more guy is looking. Is the interview is going on? I don't know. 40 lakhs package something.
I haven't get it. Can you repeat it a little bit properly?
I think I don't know. I don't remember his name. He's coming from Dubai person.
Okay, yeah, correct. He's going for the 40 lakh package, right? He's coming India
Yeah.
and he's going for that. Cool, man. That is also good, right? Because see, earlier, what I can say that I don't want to say, but I can say that we are going on site for the package, right? Obviously, that's a primary reason, and package in some ambience we will get it, right? But if you are getting the same package again in India, better stay here only and under that much package, whatever we are getting in some other country, get it in India only. Yes, that is possible nowadays. Okay. Yes, IT packages has been reached to that level already. Okay. If we are not aware, it's very bad. Okay. We have to be aware that how much the 8 years experience person is getting, 7-year person is getting. Okay. Go and find out into the market with your friends how much they are earning. Okay. The level is very high nowadays. Cool. No worries. Okay. Let's talk about the AWS. Okay. We have to start our journey for the AWS. Okay. Let me tell you quickly what exactly it is. The AWS came into the market in 2002. Okay. Around 20 years back. The platform where we are going to create our account, where we are going to create our resources, this platform has been launched in 2002. Okay. I'm talking about this platform. Let me open my screen. Let me close all the things. Okay, I'm talking about this platform. Okay, the console of AWS. Okay, this is the console of AWS, and I'm talking about this platform which has been launched in 2002. Okay, and I'm not telling that it was very similar. No, upgradation happens every year, every 2 years. The new layout or new design will come, but the idea was in the 2002 only. Okay. 2003 new concept plan and formulated. Some they have created some new plans in 2003, and in the 2004 they have started, they created, they launched their first service, that is SQS and SNS. Okay, this service is to send a mail to anyone. Okay, or to any of the different integration mails with a mobile notification, and we can say into the Teams, into the Slack, or whatever you guys are using. That integration was started, this service has been started in 2004 only. Okay, then the very famous, very popular in 2006, the virtual machine concept EC2, with the name EC2, this virtual machine concept, virtual machine has been started. Okay, and this is the service who make the revolution. Okay, because earlier, okay, cloud, it's a thing, right? But when this virtual machine becomes successful, okay, and the revolution came into the cloud market. Okay, if they created the virtual machine, yes, the virtual private cloud also needs to be required, because if we are creating a machine, but where we are putting it, it has to be in our separate network. Okay, this part also we will see in the today's class only. You will see the feeling in the same order, whatever the AWS has tried it, I will teach you into the same order only. Okay, then VPC came into the picture. VPC is a private network, virtual private cloud network for our own organization, or for our own industry, or for our own purpose. Means it has a network security which we can decide it by own. Okay. In 2012 customer event came. Means earlier it was not directly for the customers, some clients were there for sure. Okay, I cannot comment anything, but yeah, in 12 they have created a customer events. Okay, they want to onboard new customers or new client. Yes, in 13 they adopted some more tools or some more technology, and in 2016 it's reached to the 10 billion revenue. Okay, and from here in 2006 only the service was started, and people was not very much what we can say aware about it, excited about it. Adoption ratios was less. But yeah, in 2006 and in between this journey, okay, the revenue, or we can say the revenue hit by 10 billion in 2006. And in 2017, earlier you can see in 2004 and 2017, in between the 12 years or 13 years journey, from one service to 100 service, means AWS has developed the 100 services. Okay, and so on, it is increasing. And in 2021, okay, or in we can say 22, around 200 plus services are already there. 200 plus services means I'm talking about this all services. Okay, if you will click on this all services, this all are 200 plus. Okay, and which we are talking about the virtual machine, this is the EC2, which is the virtual machine. Okay, and 200 services means out of this, yes, 200 services are there. You can count it if you want. Okay, and if it's lesser or higher, let me know the exact number. Okay, I haven't counted, but yeah, approx to 200 will be there for sure. Okay, and yes, and this is the AWS journey. Okay, how the things has been came into the picture. But what is the use of creation of this 100 services or 200 services? What is the use? Okay, the actual use is, earlier our infrastructure was the traditional infrastructure. Traditional means everything in on our data center, right? databases or storage things in our data center, servers on premises, servers will be there, networking pipelines or routers or switches will be there, security, firewalls, ACL, administration activity, AD accounts will be all the traditional things was there. As I'm telling, this 200 services has been created. What actually it is? They are this Amazon services means in place of some storage or databases devices which we were creating on in our own premises. Now you don't have to create it on your own premises. You can take the service or resources from the cloud. It can be EBS, EFS, S3, and RDS. These services you can take it from the cloud and you can use in your application. No on-premises maintenance is required. Okay. If you will talk about the servers, on-premises servers in the offices, or whoever has a 4 or 5 years experience, definitely in somewhere or in some any of the company you saw the server room. How many people are here who saw the server room in your office or in your company?
Yeah, because I have seen it.
Yes, you saw it, right? There was a this type of racks will be there, and inside that CPU, memory, RAMs or storage devices will be there for sure, right? So this type of servers has been replaced by AMI and EC2 machines. Okay, this virtual machine has been replaced by this. Okay, and these are the services created by the AWS. Again, if there is a server, definitely the network internet should be coming, right? What we can say, AC maintenance should be there, routers, switches, how the internet has to be transformed from one machine to another, what we can say, wiring, connections, all these things will be their networking related things, right? So this networking related things has been upgraded, or we can say into the cloud services, has been converted into the ELB or VPC. Okay, same as if we are creating something, definitely we are aware about who will be the right person is supposed to go, how much is the security. If some you are telling that you have seen that, have you get a chance to go inside it, or it was locked,
Oh,
physically
it's a
locked?
restricted area.
It's a restricted area, means you can say there was a firewall, it was a physical firewall. Okay, you cannot, right? But it's not like that always a physical firewall is required. Someone can travel through the internet as well inside it, right? So software firewalls also required. Yes, same thing in AWS also. The security group, NSCL, and this administration related activities with the help of IAM, means who can, the right person who can go and access these virtual machines from the outside. So as a revolution, what this 100 services, earlier it was like this and now it was like this. So you don't have to maintain your own data center in your office. You can say that we are using the cloud and we are using these services, and yes, I'm going to teach you all these services in couple of days. Okay, all services, yes, nothing will be missing. All services I'm going to take care, so that whatever was the traditional infrastructure, you will see the complete infrastructure into the cloud. And I think whoever joined the yesterday class, they saw that 40 services in cloud has been created in AWS. Yes or no, guys? Yes or no, please?
Yes.
Right? So
Yes, sir.
what all these 40 services are? 40 services looks very big, but this all 40 services. Okay, I will teach one by one all the services, and then you will see the big picture and you will understand, okay, this is how all these things happen. Cool, that's good. Okay, and if we will talk about this all services belong to some category, right? As I'm telling, these services are belong to the storage category, these services are belong to the server category, networking category. This image looks very good. Okay, if you will see over the AWS also, they are also doing the same thing. Compute, this all category, management, this all category, container, this all category, storage, this all category. But what I want you, okay, if you will understand like this, it will be very difficult, right? If you will understand with the help of images or with the help of explanations, yes, you will understand the things very easily. Okay, same compute, global infrastructure. What exactly the global infrastructure? From the keyword global, what do you feel, guys? What do you know about the keyword global? Can anyone give the answer?
Available to the whole world.
Good, very good. How can this AWS account will be whole world? Can you give the answer to me?
I think there are some services in AWS which are actually global, like S3 is a global
Correct.
service, I think.
Correct. Good. Superb. But my question was global infrastructure. How can I see this account over the world? There is an option here. Okay. Means which region, which data center you want to connect. Okay. You can connect it just a single click away. US East one you want to connect, just click here. US East 1 data center you have connected. Okay, this is the beauty of global data center. Okay, means now I have connected to the US East 1. Let assume I want to connect to the US West 2. I have to just a single click, and yes, my screen will get redirect into that console. Okay, means now I can connect to the US West 2 data center. That is known as global infrastructure. I will come deeper. This all are one day topics for me. Okay, but today I'm just taking into very high level so that you will be aware about the thing. Okay, networking, obviously how the internet will work, how much will be the internet speed, and everything, all the networking component also we will see. If I'm talking about the compute, from the compute keyword itself, I can say that who has a CPU and memory. These are the services in AWS who has a CPU and memory. Okay, storage, where I can dump my data. Okay, objects, that is known as storage service. Database, guys, what is database? Very general general keyword. What is database?
Store and give something.
Store and give something. No, little bit, not a very good answer. Better answer, I need it. Guys, database, everyone see this word, everyone hear this word, I know. Yankur, go ahead.
It is our storage. Like in storage, we store everything, but database, like it is for a entire company. Like this is company database.
Okay,
This
chalo.
is company record, like that we
Okay.
can say.
Structured database, I can say structured.
Cool. Okay, this one is very nearest answer, but let me tell you. Storage means I'm dumping. Means let's take an example. Storage is my C drive. My drives are nothing but storage devices in my machine, right? These are storage. I can dump anything into this place. Yes or no? But any of the Excel file. Okay, let's take any of the Excel file. Where is any of the Excel file will be there? If in the Excel file some name and some number will be there, or some information will be there, that time I can say that this is a structured data, right? It can be form of tables, it can be form of non-tables, relational, non-relational. That is known as database. It makes sense. Very low level answer I'm giving. Okay, high level, so we will learn it for sure. Yes or no? Agree with my point?
Yes, Vikas.
Yes.
Good. Okay, so some database related services also there. These are some relational database, some non-relational database like MySQL, Oracle, Cassandra, DynamoDB. We have here the name, but he changes the name, but backend is completely same. Okay, why he changed the name? Because he want to sell his service. Okay, freeware to some charges. Okay, so he changes the name, but at the end MySQL, Oracle is there only. Okay, so these are the database here. Some application services like sending a mail, talking with someone, connecting with someone, this whole application level services are here. And after that, deployment and administration. With the help of this CloudWatch, you can monitor the environment. With the help of Elastic Bench, state one single click and complete application will be ready for you. Okay, IAM administration, who is the right person, who want to go inside, who don't want to go inside, to this all services, this all things we can manage with the help of IAM. Yes, almost I will take care of, means not 100% all the services from this, but yeah, almost you will understand at least 2 to 3 services from all the categories. Okay, to develop any of the application, yes, these all categories are primarily required that I'm going to teach to you. Okay, this is the same diagram again. Okay, some are compute, some are storage, some are databases, some are analytical, encryption, deployment. Yes, I will take care of all these varieties. Okay, all these varieties of services from this place. Okay, from this place means this all services. Out of these services I have choose, okay, which are the top usable or very primary services which we are going to learn. Okay, see, let's take an example. Compute, EC2, definitely we are learning. Okay, and image builder, we are seeing it. Okay, storage, yes, we are seeing it. Container, obviously with the help of Docker. Open source, we will see it. Storage, yes, S3 we are seeing it. Glacier, we are seeing it. Okay, database, RDS, we are seeing it. And like that, networking, VPC, we are seeing it. Route 53, we are seeing it. And if I will tell you the number is not sense, because number will be very high, but yes, we are going to see all these things. Okay, I'm giving some details, okay, little bit detail here as well. Okay, what are the core services? You don't have to read it now. Okay, we have a journey. Okay, within 1 month we have to learn, so not everything in one day. Okay, so this all the core services are there which we have to learn it in couple of days. Okay? After this program, let's understand that you have learned the 20 services and still you are feeling that I have a 7 years 10 years experience. What I have to do? I want a more theoretical knowledge or more knowledge. What I have to do it? I'm telling that you don't have to worry. If your experience is very high, you can see the overview of AWS with their own white papers. Okay, what is white paper? Can anyone here who can give the answer? What is white paper?
Actually, it is a thing where the services are given a detailed order, means detailed description is there, and we can go through it and understand means what services are there. Means there are different types of white papers.
Mhm.
So basically, it gives a overall overview of the
Okay.
entire services and the best practices, security best practices like this. We have the different types of white papers.
Cool. Good. Okay. Guys, anyone here again want to say the one keyword answer? What is white paper? Again, one more person. Yeah,
It is provided by AWS only.
That's okay. I'm not talking about AWS. I'm talking about what is white paper.
Maybe description.
Okay, chalo, let me give the word. The source of truth. Okay, the source of truth has been written into the white paper. Okay, nothing will be hidden into these papers. Okay, so these are the AWS papers only. Okay, you can open it, or the overview of AWS, what all services you have to learn it. They are only giving all the services information here. Okay, not everything, because in 85 pages AWS cannot come because 200 services are there. So they need a 2000 page or 20,000 page book for everything. Okay. But this is 85 pages where you can get every service detail. Okay. Means a theoretical little bit information about every service. So it will
It's
be,
look like release note.
can you repeat it?
It's look like release note.
This load, I'm not aware what exactly it is. Can you explain to me a little bit better?
Release notes, no?
Acha, release note. Okay, yeah, we can say correct. Okay, we can say that also. Yeah, correct. Okay, means small information about every service. We don't need a complete information. Okay, because it's practically not possible or not developed by one person. Okay, whoever is the owner of this also, he is also not aware. Okay, who is the salesperson also of the all this AWS, they are also not aware. So it's practically not possible. But for us, if we will at least know one definition or we will understand the service, it's good for us. So this information is here. Architecture related information in this PPT, in this PDF. Okay, best practices, I will follow all the best practices. I will give the overview for almost all the most of the services. Okay, what are very important? Yes, I will give. Okay, best practices and some disaster recovery. What do you mean by disaster recovery? Can anyone here who can give the answer? What is disaster recovery? You have heard this keyword. Yeah, Rajesh.
If something unnatural happened, so
Correct. Okay. If unnatural happen and our environment goes down, what is the solution to bring it up? After 5 years or 7 years, now they will ask this type of question. Okay. If something unnatural thing happen, what you will do? That answers are here. There is a service in AWS. Just run it, and your work, whatever your old resources are there, it will recover it to some other region. Okay. Let's create a scenario here. One of your service is running into this US West 2 region, and because of any disaster, whatever the service was running, it was going down because this data center has been disconnected from the internet. So it's a outage, right? If it's disconnected from the internet, okay, what we have to do it, we have to run the another service import and export kind of thing, so that whatever that service will be there, okay, means it will not be a completely automated, some manual things, some their customer support may also will help us. Okay, and they will migrate the complete thing into whatever is the best latency or best available resource or best available data center available. They will migrate their things into this data center. Okay, so that we can say yes, we are some disaster came and it has been recovered. Or we can only, if we want, we can create our data center, we can create our resources into the multiple regions as well. Yes, we can do it. Okay, and in some companies, yes, they are creating a 6 month, means what we can say, every 6 months they are checking their another environment as well, it was up or not. Okay, that type of things we are doing. And yes, we have to understand if we have a big experience. Okay, if we have 3-4 years, or you want to write 2-3 years of 2-3 years in your resume, then it's enough. Okay, you don't have to read. But if you want to write 5 years, yes, you can write this part as well. And I will talk about the blueprints. Okay, what exactly I will talk about. This is a cloud certification program. Okay, cloud dictionary exam. Okay, I will talk about almost everything about this exam, so that after this course, yes, you can write it. I will give one more ebook. Just go through with this ebook. I will give the very good terms, and you can go for you can book the exam, and you can go for that exam as well. Okay? Cool. And still, if you have a question why to learn AWS, I don't think so, but yeah, I can tell you that 1 million customers are already there. Okay, and still we don't know, we are very back. Okay, this is 20 years old things which has been idea has been developed. We have to learn and we have to come into the market. As it's a big as the next what we can say is a big as the next 4 competitors combined. Okay, this is the biggest what we can say competitors combined. Okay, competitors are there, but I can say that multiple different service providers are there, and this is the competitor, and this is on the top. Okay, and people are running very high with this learning. Okay, so we have to learn it. Okay, and this is the future. This is what I want to say about the very day one. Okay, let me come into our day 2. Guys, hope you are able to understand. All good? At least yes or no?
Yes.
All good? Able to understand? My voice was clear. My speed was not very fast.
Yes, sir.
Cool. Okay. Varun is asking, Vikas, coding is required in this course. No, I don't want any of the coder. Okay, I will make you the what we can say little bit scripter kind of person. Okay, I will make. Okay, you don't have to worry about that part. I will teach the enough of things about the Python, enough things about the shell script. You can make the things if you want. Okay, but it's not primarily required. But as a DevOps engineer, yes, if it's little bit, if you're aware about it, it will be a icing on your resume, icing on your package. Okay, means your package will be good. You will be into the higher range if you know the coding. Okay, but primarily I don't need it because I'm going to give you, so I don't need your experience, but I'm going to give you the things whatever is required. Okay, let's come into the cloud computing. And yes, okay, as per the day 2 agenda, we will talk about the servers and data center here before going into the cloud. Okay, because see, I want to go always one step back to explain the things so that you will understand the real problem, and then we will make the solution. Okay, directly giving a solution is like a means I'm giving the answers without question. Okay, first, why the cloud came into the picture? Because there was a problem in this, that's why the solution came. Why the Paytm came into the market, why the Google Pay came into the market, why the new softwares are coming into the market, because there was a problem with the previous thing. Okay, there was a problem with the banks. No one can go, online transactions are required, so that UPIs and all these things came. Why the Zoom meeting came? Okay, because I cannot, it means you cannot, everyone cannot come to the Bangalore, right? There was a problem, there was a solution. So first I will talk the problem so that you will understand that this is the problem, and because of this the solution came into the market. Okay, so we will talk about the data center, we will talk about cloud, virtualization, cloud computing, introduction, and I will try to give my best to give one practical also in the today's class. Okay, if it's a little bit long, it will go into the next class, but at least one practical, so we will do it in the today's class. Okay, no need to worry. Chalo, let's come here. Yes, earlier you saw a room into your offices. Okay, but if you will go to any of the data centers, it will look like this. It can be anyone. Okay, it can be of any company, it can be any cloud provider. Yes, data centers in the real life, the data centers look like this. Okay, what exactly the data center approach? If any of the issue happen into the data center, what will be the solution? Some challenges with the data center model and some problems we are going to talk in next 10 minutes. Okay, let's come to this directly scenario. Okay, I will make a scenario here. I want some person who will talk with me very frequently. Okay, be ready guys. Okay, whoever is a knowledge, they can talk with me, it will be very good for me. Okay, let's take an example. I want to create a one website, bjshub.com. Okay, what all things will be required, or how you can create it, this website for me. I will give a code to you, but you are the person who will be worried about the infrastructure, system admin related activity, or whatever is required, operations related activity. You are the person who has to do it. So what will be your responsibility, guys? If I will tell you, give the requirement you want to, you have to create a BJSHUB website. Can you give the answer? Ankur, you want to say? Karthik?
Yeah, we need a domain server to launch
Domain,
the
I will
website.
provide it to you. I will provide a domain to you, bjsub.com. What else?
We need a database to store the data and retrieve the required
Okay,
data.
chalo, you need a database. How you will create your database?
We need web server.
Locally, we will be creating.
Okay,
database.
chalo, someone give the answer rack server. Okay, chalo, how you will get the rack server?
Web server, web server.
Arre, chalo, web server. How you will get the web server?
Might be we will have a Windows server, then we can have IAAS installed in this.
Arre, chalo, Windows server. How you will get the Windows server? Or where you will host this Windows server?
We
In the
can have
VM
a
instance.
physical server, or we can have VMware virtual environment.
Chalo, okay, where you will get the VM virtual machine?
Yes,
In the compute section.
We have to contact to those provider who used to provide all the VMs and services related to website host or anything.
Correct.
So
Chalo. Subhanshu, you are very close to the answer. Okay, you have to reach to the some provider or hosting person, okay, who is providing that services. Yes, agree. And BJSHUB website, you want to host it. So what you will say that, okay, I need this much compute, means 2 CPU and 2 GB RAM, or two CPUs and 4 GB RAM is enough for one small website, right? And suddenly if your requirement goes increases, okay, from 2 GB to 8 GB you want to make it, then again you have to reach to that provider, you have to send a mail, you have to send a letters, they will send the appropriate amount, and they will appropriate billing invoice, you have to pay the amount, and then they will allow you. Yes or no? This all things we have to do it. Agree? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, means I want to say that if you will choose a data center approach or hosting provider, typically you have to send an inquiry to them, okay, that sir, I want your services, can you, with the requirement, and they will contact you with the price, and then you have to negotiate with the price, and then it will take a minimum 24 hours to this, and then you have to take the approval from me, because I have to pay the bills, right? So I have to approval to you, and then you will start your working. Okay, then you will just get a data center, and as you told that you will create a virtual machine, over that you will install a database, you will create a web server, and then your website will be ready. Yes or no? One approach. Okay, second approach, you will say, sir, no need to worry, I don't want to go to the hosting provider. Okay, we will create our own. Okay, no worries. Then you will go for the shopping to purchase this type of hardware. Yes or no? Say, agree?
Yes.
Okay, you will go for the shopping, you will invest some money, and you will again take the money from me. Okay, that because my requirement is that I'm your client, and you will bring this thing, and then you will do your own setup. Every setup looks good. Okay, otherwise again there is a hosting providers are there, you will go and you will send estimate to them, and you will get the things. Okay, but let's assume you created this type of servers into the, what we can say, into our Bangalore office. Obviously you will create in the office. If any of the failure, equipment failure, communication failure, internet is not working, power outage, network congestion, or anything happen, my website will be goes down. Yes or no?
Yes.
Obviously, right? Obviously. Okay, if any of the reasons will be there, it will goes down, definitely it's a outage for me. Okay, and second solution, whoever has created, or which teams who is maintaining all these things, equipment, communication, internet, some power outage or network related things, or anything, some multiple things will be there, I can just give a name, administration team. Okay, so what is the solution if any of the problem will be there? Right now you are working as a remotely. Okay, you are in your hometown, and what is the solution? You have to go back to that place and to fix it, the issue. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
Agree with my point? Everyone is agree? If any of the
Yes.
issue, the only solution with the data center is you have to go and you have to solve, you have to check it. Okay, after checking only you will decide it what's the problem. Okay, and it's a very long time. These are the reasons the data center creation for our small requirements or big requirements are getting failed, and people are moving from this terminology, what we can say traditional data center terminology, to the what's the cloud. Okay, and there are multiple challenges also there. Let's assume that you created a website bjshub.com. Okay, and let's assume we are starting a new batch. Okay, so crowd will be little bit more in some couple of days, so suddenly you have to increase the RAM of your server. In this case, guys, what will be the solution? How can we increase the RAM if we have our own data center, or if it's your own laptop, how you can increase the RAM?
We need to add extra RAM.
Extra RAM we have to add.
External RAM.
We have to purchase it, we have to invest some money, and then we have to, with the help of hardware, open, and we have to put it into this data centers like that. Okay, in our laptop also we have to purchase it and we have to add it, right? This is the only solution, right? And this is a very limited kind of thing because it's required a investment very first, and then we can do the things. And let's assume again you are not required to that use that much RAM. 32 GB is not always required, so it's a wasting of money as well. Yes or no? Not always required. Agree with my point?
Yeah.
Right. And in the hosting, let's assume this is your data center, you want to increase, so you have to purchase it. Hosting provider, then what you can do it? Okay, you will raise some support ticket. Okay, they will respond you within 15 minutes to 24 hours. Then they will send an engineer, okay, to change the RAM. Okay, and it will again take a minimum 12 to 24 hours or 48 hours to perform this activity. In between, billing, approvals, and all these things will be there for sure. Okay, the third approach, cloud approach, what exactly he is telling? Sir, if you want to increase your RAM, just stop your machine, change it. Okay, let me show. Okay, let me go to the cloud, any of the cloud provider. I'm going to the GCP account. Okay, I'm going to the Google Cloud account. Guys, the console.cloud.google.com is the console of a Google Cloud. Okay, here you can see the dashboard. Okay, whatever the things are running or whatever the billing, monitoring, all the details will be available into this home page. Okay, I do have the account in Google Cloud as well. Yes, I'm talking about the virtual machine, and let assume you want to create what you want to create. You have any one machine is running. Okay, let's assume I have this machine is running. Okay, I want to increase or decrease the size of this machine. It's very easy with the help of cloud provider. Okay, what exactly the current configuration is? The current configuration is 2 standard 2. Okay, 2 standard 2. Let me put into the Google what exactly it is. Okay, 2 standard 2, they are telling that let me open this website. Okay, or 2 standard 2, 2 standard 2. Okay, this much is the RAM and this much is the storage. Okay, no, not correct answer. Okay, control F, 2 standard 2 is a 2 CPU and 8 GB RAM is my current machine. Agree? Yes or no? Rajesh, yes or no? Mahesh, Aditya,
Yes,
Yes, because
Yes, because
current machine. Okay, let's assume you want to increase or decrease. Okay, what you have to do it, you don't have to do much efforts. Okay, you have to just stop the machine. Okay, I'm stopping the machine. Okay, Rajesh, mute yourself please. Okay, I have just stopping the machine. I'm going to edit the place. Okay, in this edit option I may get an option to change. At this point it is stopping. Okay, let's give a time. 2 CPU and 8 GB is the current configuration. Okay, I will get an edit option. I can change it whatever we want and I can start the machine. Done. Okay, whatever you want, done. Okay, still it's not done, it's stopping. Let me give a time to them to stop the machine. Okay, let me go to the home page only. Okay, the machine is stopping. Okay. Give a time please. Fast. Yeah, machine has been stopped. I'm going inside the machine again. Okay, I'm clicking here. I'm going into the machine. Okay, I'm clicking on the edit option. Okay, with the edit, there is an option here, open, right? I can change whatever I want. Yes or no? It's easy or not? whatever I want. I want a 2 CPU, I want a 16 GB, and I will save it. Yes, my machine is 4 CPU to 16 GB. E2 standard 2 to E2 standard 4. Done. Just a single click and done. This is the beauty of cloud. Yes or no? Got it?
Yeah.
Yes, because
Yes.
Okay, cool, good. Okay, this is the beauty of cloud. Okay, otherwise it's a very difficult task. Go for the shopping, send a mails to them, they will respond it. It will take a very long time to respond it. Okay, in the some data center, okay, if we are using the data center approach, we have to pay a rent for the data center. Any power supply will be there. Yes, we have to pay the power supply, we have to pay the cooling, we have to pay the maintenance, replacement. If anything goes wrong, any replacement is required, we have to pay a money. And scaling is very limited. You cannot change it to 32 GB to 132 GB in just a single click. Practically it's not possible, right? You have to purchase the thing and you have to make the thing. We have to hire a 24/7 monitoring team to manage this type of infrastructure. We have to deal with the disaster. If anything goes wrong, anything happen into the your data center, you are the only person who has to deal it. No one will support you. Okay, uh, whatever is the problem, we are only the person who has to handle it. To overcome this all problem, the solution came as a learn, we go into the cloud and perform the activity. Okay, so if I will ask you the very simple question, what exactly the cloud is? I'm not talking about AWS, guys. Okay, I'm talking about cloud. What exactly it is? Can anyone here who saw this video? I feel that some people has watched this video.
It's our neighbor.
It's your neighbor?
Our neighbor nation.
Okay, our neighbor nation. Okay, fine. Okay, guys, I will give this link to you. Okay, by today. Okay, just watch this video. What he's telling about the cloud. Okay, and what reality the cloud is. Okay, cloud is refers as a server that access over the internet. Means definitely it's a machine. It's a virtual machine. Okay, or it's a server. It's a resource. Okay, which is accessible over the internet. That is known as cloud form. Means in this server, I'm talking about software and application or database are running into this server that is known as cloud. Cloud servers are located in the data centers all over the world. Okay, if I'm talking about the cloud, yes, all over the world in this data centers, whatever I am accessing with the help of internet, I can say this is US Asia specific cloud, this is US West 2 cloud, okay, Sydney cloud, or we can say like that as well. Okay, means I am taking their resources, I'm using it. In the resources means software, application and databases, we are running it, that is known as cloud. Okay, by using the cloud computing technology. Okay, by using the cloud computing technology, okay, users and companies don't have to manage physical server. With the help of cloud computing technology, you don't have to manage this all thing. Okay, now the question is, what is cloud computing? The users and server machines are basically the someone else machine or server you are using. Means you are using the cloud terminology or cloud technology. Okay, and because of the cloud technology or cloud computing, we don't have to purchase our own resources, we can use someone else. That is known as virtualization as well, right? I hope you have heard the word virtualization. Virtualization is nothing but someone else machine we are accessing with the help of internet is known as virtualization. Okay, the virtualization, the cloud computing cloud will look like this. With the help of internet, yes, our resources are connected to that. Okay, there are multiple cloud providers are available into the market like Google Cloud, Salesforce, IBM, Azure, AWS. Okay, and these are the service providers available into the market, and we are using their services. Okay, here in cloud, if I'm running any of the things, okay, means I'm using their services is known as cloud computing. Okay, if I'm using any of the someone else services, Amazon services, with the help of internet, means I'm using the cloud computing terminology and I'm accessing, and that is known as cloud computing. Okay, multiple providers are available at this point: Google Cloud, Amazon and Azure. Okay, if we are talking about the cloud computing, there are multiple varieties of clouds are available. Okay, public cloud, private cloud, community cloud and hybrid cloud. Okay, what exactly it is? If I'm talking about the cloud, if I'm talking about someone else server, He is telling that, sir, which type of server or which type of server you want. Do you want a public server where multiple different organization people will be available into the same room, okay, or same data center, multiple people will be available, that is known as public cloud. Private cloud, you are telling, sir, I need my separate room or separate data center, that is known as private cloud. You can understand with a simple example, like in a hostel, okay, some individuals are staying, okay, in a same room, two three multiple different individuals are staying, that is known as public room, okay. Or if someone is telling that I need my own for myself, then you can say that it's a private room or private cloud. Community cloud, you have decided that, okay, let us assume BJS is a community, all the BJS members only will stay that room, that is known as community cloud. Hybrid cloud, one is AWS, one is GCP. Some people are using AWS part, GCP part, so you can say it's a hybrid cloud. I given my course name as a hybrid because in some couple of minutes I am in Google, in some couple of minutes I am going into AWS. So hybrid cloud, okay, means one of my services running here, one of my services running here, okay, that is known as hybrid cloud. Okay, let me go into this place again. Okay. Public cloud means multiple different community people are staying, are using the same cloud, that is known as public cloud. Pricing will be little bit less, okay, elasticity or whatever the features has to be get it, yes, they are getting it. Private means you have the full control, you have the full control, you can make your own security rules also, or flexibility or regulations, you can create your own rules because that is your private cloud. Okay, community, you are decided that yes, I am ready with this rule, so you can use the same cloud. So whenever we are talking about the cloud, okay, there is a three four varieties of clouds are available into the market, okay, and primarily in our organization in the real time we are using our own private cloud. Okay, cool. Okay, the keyword for the private cloud is like a VPC, virtual private cloud. Okay, virtually your own cloud, that is known as virtual private cloud. We will create a virtual private cloud, we will put the resources into this. Okay, I'm giving some theory about public cloud, I'm giving some theory about private cloud, I'm giving some theory about the hybrid cloud as well for your interview perspective. Okay, but for understanding it's good. Guys, able to understand? Yes or no? All good till now?
Yes, because.
Any open question at this point?
So because if you, I mean, could you please go to the last slide?
Yes.
Yes. So if for the people who are using the public cloud, so the data breaches won't happen there. Like they were sharing the couple of like group of members, like as per the diagram.
Correct.
So if they are using like the same cloud, so might be there will be issues with the data are now, correct?
It's not like that. Okay, means private cloud, you will get your separate rules as well. Okay, but multiple peoples are following the same rules. Okay, means let's assume you are making some encryption, so your another person will also be aware of what type of encryption you are using it, what type of configuration you are using it. Okay, this is the disadvantage of the public cloud. Means you are staying in a hostel room, 2-3 students are staying, right? So your private, we can say, drawer will be there for sure, but the bed or he can reach to some place will be, the washroom will be the common, right?
Okay.
So you can understand that something will be common, but something will be private as well. But in every company, we are taking our own private cloud. Security is the biggest concern, right? So in every company, we are creating the resource, we are creating the first our own private cloud, and then we are putting our resources into this, because security is always a first priority. Okay. But see, if you want to go for the cheaper things, okay, something will be there, but yeah, public cloud option is also available.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
Guys, I want to give a 2-3 minutes break here. Okay. Go for the bio break or whatever it is. Okay. And then we will be back. See how many minutes? Guys, tell me how many minutes break you want. 5 minutes, 2 minutes, 3 minutes.
2 minutes.
2 minutes. Okay, cool. Okay, I'm starting the 2-minute break. Okay, guys, go quickly, come back in 2 minutes. Okay. Yes, I hope everyone is back. Rajat, mute yourself. Guys, raise the hand and let me know you are back or not.
Yes, Vikas.
Okay, cool, good. Okay. Guys, till now all good. You want to ask any of the question, you can ask with me. Okay. Till everyone will be back. Yeah, because ask one question at least.
Yeah, because so public cloud is not that much secure. Is it?
No, I'm not telling that much secure. Security will be there for sure. Okay, very high level security will be there, but deeper level security you cannot create. Okay, you will not get your full control. See, let's assume you are staying in a hostel room. Okay, so if it says 3-4 people are staying into that room, you will not get a full control. Yes or no? Agree with my point?
Like you said that everyone will be aware about the encryption of everyone, right?
Not every means not the data, not everything, but yeah, some things will be similar for everyone. Okay, means let assume in the hostel you are which company you are working or what you are doing, where you are going, that all information will be known by your friend as well. Yes or no? Agree?
Yes.
So kind of thing will be there. Okay, just understand like that. Okay, but in private it's completely yours. All your rules, all your control, all your flexibility, whatever thing you want to change, yes, you can do it because that's your own private cloud. Now make sense?
Okay. Yes.
Good. Guys, I again given you the form. Whoever is interested to join me, okay, with this course, please fill this form, okay, so that you will get to know the payment details and everything. Okay.
Where you have given that form, Vikas?
I given into this chat.
Okay, not by the mail, right?
Not by mail. Okay, I will send a mail by today or tomorrow. Okay, but if you are really interested to join me, yes, here is the details. Okay, form. Just copy this link and put it into the browser. You will able to see it and just fill it. And what we can say, I will communicate with you.
Because who have already filled the form yesterday, they have?
No worry. I will send a mail today.
Okay.
Okay. If you have already,
Because
yeah, if you have already filled it, no need to fill it again. Okay, no worries. Yeah, Rajesh, go ahead.
Sorry, because I have a question. So, like yesterday, we were talking about the like first class. So, 40% will be the classroom training or something like that, and 60% will be the practical.
Correct.
So, after this, 1.5 hour or 1 hour 15 minutes, whatever the time we are allocating for the class. After that, you will be available because you will be available if we are doing practical. So if we got any doubts or something like that, so up to 11 or something like that.
Rajesh, no need to. Not up to 11. Okay, everyone has to go office. Okay, 8 to 11, 3 years is not 3 hours is not possible. Okay, yeah. See, it's not like that. I have to finish the course. Okay, I'm not the only trainer here. You can understand. I'm the owner for everything. Okay. So see, trainer can run away, but I cannot. Okay, because I own this complete vertical of the BJs. Right. So see, I cannot leave the thing without completing or without your satisfaction. Make sense? Yes or no?
Yeah.
Because I'm not getting salary here. Okay. Because I don't have to work for 1 hour, 2 hours. It's not like that. See, I have to satisfy you. I have to complete the things. It's like that. See, yesterday we missed something, right? It's not a problem. If we miss something, it's okay. We will do it tomorrow, right? It's not like that I have to finish the things into the one day. Never. Okay. No need to worry for that part. In today's class also, if something will not be completed, it's okay. We will do it tomorrow, day after tomorrow. What's the problem in it, right? It's not time.
I'm talking. Sorry, I'm talking about the. You showed something like you showed some Google Cloud.
Correct.
So changing the RAM and all. So if you are doing, sorry, if you are giving any practical to us, so if we are practicing on our own, so if something happened, like we can contact you WhatsApp or something like that, correct?
Anything. Your WhatsApp group will be always there. You can drop a message
fine.
at 1 a.m. also. Okay.
Okay.
I know student will drop a message on 1 a.m. 2 a.m. They will do the practical that time only. Okay, and I know that part. It's not a big deal. See, if I was not available at 1 a.m., I will be available at 7 a.m. I will respond it. What's the problem? Or someone will be available. Not always like that. You are facing a problem and others is not facing a problem. Other can help you out as well. I want to make a community, right?
Understand.
Good. Okay.
Hi Vikas.
Vikas, I will talk with you a little bit later. Is that fine? Let me take this part. Your questions will get clear. No need to worry. Okay. When I'm talking about the cloud and cloud benefits, okay, there are multiple benefits the cloud is providing to us. Always up, what we can say, the availability will be 99.911 times 9. Okay, 99.999 availability. They are providing a guarantee that your cloud will be always up. Low cost ownership. I can take the things because whatever the services are here, right? Low cost ownership. If I need a virtual machine, the cost will be very less. I have to just pay a rent and the things will be available for me. Okay, so the ownership price will be very less, but it will be available for me in just a very simple or some clicks only. Okay, easily upgrade. As I told you, I want to upgrade my machine from 3 GB or 2 GB to 8 GB very easily. I just have to shut down my machine. I have to increase it, and yes, it will be upgradable. Productivity, as I'm telling that my customers are in Australia, I can create one server into the Australia by sitting here only. With some clicks, I can create a server into the Australia region as well. Offsite data storage lets you feel, let us assume I'm in US and you all are in India. Okay, you are facing a latency issue with me. So what I can do it, I can create a data storage offsite, means in your region as well. Okay, in your region, I will teach you how to find out that which is the best region for you for your current location or for your client. I will teach that part as well, I think into the day 1 of the AWS. Okay, that I will going to teach to you. Okay, no maintenance cost. We don't have to worry about the maintenance disaster. Okay, we don't have to worry about the maintenance because when we are taking any of the service from the cloud, we have to pay a rent. We are paying the rent for them. Okay, and it's not an upfront. After using, we have to pay it. Whatever we will use it, we have to pay the rent for that part. Okay, and rent is a very fixed or decided. Okay, it's not like that they will charge you randomly. No, the rent is very fixed. They will charge you according to the fixed rate. Okay, disaster assistance. Here I am using the keyword assistance, means they will not do for us. If we will tell that you have to do it, they will do it. But assistance means if anything goes wrong or any disaster came into the picture, then they will help us. Okay sir, you can migrate your data from this place to this place. With the help of this approach, they will help us and we have to perform the activity. Okay, and if it's our own, no one will going to help. We only have to find out the solution. We have to do the thing. And is that practically possible that we have another data center available in another place? No. Okay, it's not possible. Guys, hope you understood some benefits of the cloud. Yes or no? All good till now?
Yeah, Vikas.
Okay, cool. Okay, what exactly the cloud architecture look like? Let's have a look. Okay, let's assume this is a cloud. Inside a cloud, servers, web servers, databases, lots of different resources are there. Okay, and I am giving the name as a backend. Okay, and this is our browser. This is our browser. With the help of internet, I am connecting to the cloud. Okay, so this will be the architecture of the cloud. How we can connect it? Backend. It consists of virtual machine, security system, database, and servers. Let's go here in this place. Okay, let's assume this is my machine is running. Okay, and with the help of internet, with the help of browser, with the help of console, I'm accessing this machine. Okay, means I with the help of internet, I'm accessing this machine. So this will be my cloud architecture. Okay, very high level. Okay, very high level. It can be not only virtual machine, it can be server, it can be database, it can be any of the resource. of the cloud. With the help of internet connectivity, I am accessing it. This will be my front end, this will be my back end. Okay, this will be the architecture of a cloud. Okay, when I'm talking about the cloud computing, okay, when I'm talking about the cloud computing, it has two varieties. Okay, two models are there. One is deployment model. In the deployment cloud, what we can say, public cloud, private cloud, hybrid cloud, things are coming, that is known as deployment model. Another is, this is means where we will put our resources and which variety of resources, what service you want. So they are telling that we are providing three varieties of services to you. That varieties are infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, software as a service. Okay, let's understand that part. Infrastructure as a service means I am taking a virtual machine from them. Okay, I am taking the virtual machine from them. Do I have the image? Okay, yeah. Okay. Yeah, okay, let's understand this image. Okay, if I want to create anything, if I want to create any of the website, what all things will be required? I need a place, I need a server, I need a server networking storage thing, I need an operating system. After that I have to install a database, and after that I have to install a web server where my code will be there. So minimum these 5 things will be required to create any of the website. Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, to create any of the website, yes, these 5 things will be required. Okay, so if the servers or operating system they are providing to us, means they are providing a infrastructure as a service to us. If they will install a software for us also, then I can say yes, they are providing a platform as a service to us. And if they are making everything ready for us, then they can say that they are providing a services. Software is a service to us, we have to use it directly. Okay, we will understand this part with the help of real-time example. Okay, let's come into this part. Okay, I will give the real-time example, brief discussion about this part. Okay, not immediately, in some couple of minutes. Okay, what exactly the cloud computing is? Cloud computing is a combination of two different models, service model and deployment model. As I'm telling, cloud computing is is divided into two parts: deployment model and service model. Deployment models are this, and service models are this. Cloud computing is a model for enabling convenient on-demand network access to the shared pool. Shared pool means a group of shared. Okay, shared means same multiple people are there in a configurable computer resources like networks, servers, storage, application, and services. They are providing this all things to us with the help of internet connectivity. That's why I'm telling it's a cloud computing. Okay, it can be rapidly provisioned, means with a single click or very quickly we can create it and release with a minimal management effort. If you want to create it, just a single click and machine will get created. Okay, and if you want to release it, just a single click and it will destroy it as well. Okay, that is the beauty of cloud computing. Okay, it provides the high level extract and computing of a storage model. Okay, very high level things why I'm telling, because if I talk about the S3, okay, how much data you can put into the S3? Do you know the limit of S3? Okay, chalo, let me make a
5 terabytes.
How much?
5 terabytes.
5 terabytes. Yes, your answer is absolutely correct. Okay, for our personal account they are giving 5 terabyte. Okay, but for organizational account it can be virtually unlimited. Okay, but let me ask the question. This is one of the drive in my machine. Okay, how much data I can put into this machine?
475.
475 is 475 GB. I can put it into this place. Okay, and this is I have binded with this, but when with the cloud we are not bounded. If you want, we can increase anytime, just a single click and it can be increased. In terms of S3, no need to get increase or approval or no need to do anything. Put your data, it will automatically elasticity, it will get increased. Okay, you don't have to do any configuration also. That's the beauty. Okay, let's see some more definitions as well. Okay, cloud computing is possible because of the virtualization. We have an internet. With the help of internet we are connecting to the cloud is possible because of the virtualization. Agree with my point?
Yes.
Okay, now the question is, what is virtualization? If you are accessing someone else's hardware, virtually, that is known as virtualization. Means, let's assume you are able to access my machine, okay, with the help of internet. then you can say that yes, you are using the virtualization technology. And if you are accessing my machine with the help of internet, then you can say that my machine is a virtual machine. Yes or no? Hope you understood this three definition: virtualization and virtual machine. So what is virtual machine? Accessing someone else hardware or someone else machine is known as virtual machine. Yes or no?
Yes, because
Okay, all good till now?
Yes.
All good. Chalo. Let's come to the practical. Okay, what exactly it is, what I want to give it to you. Okay, I want to give a very high level introduction to the DevOps tools, and with the help of DevOps tools, how we can create any of the website in very less time. Okay, chalo, if I will ask the question with you, I want to give a requirement to you guys. You are also 30 people are there. Okay, I feel that some are 5 years experience, some are 4 year experience. Everyone know the website, right? If I will ask the question with you, you have to develop one website for me, or complete infrastructure and website should be up and running. I will give a code to you. How much time you need it?
Minimum 48 hours, something like that. Because
48 hours. Okay, minimum. Chalo. What else? Any other question? Any other answer? Give the answer at least, guys. Wrong answer is not a problem. Give the answer. That's more important for me. Ashu, give the answer, please. Mahesh, yeah, go ahead.
Because as per the status class, it will be around 8 minutes on this.
Okay, 8 weeks you are telling?
8 minutes.
No, I'm not
4
getting.
to 8 minutes.
4 to 8 minutes you are telling?
Yeah, yes.
Okay.
Yesterday you on the Seraphim.
Okay, sorry. You saw the last class. Okay, no. Leave the DevOps, leave everything. Okay, give the general answer to me. How much time you need it? Because Mahesh, I will give the requirement to you. If you will create a 5 minutes to me. Chalo guys, no worries. Okay, no worries. Let me only take this responsibility. Okay, let assume you want to create a website. Okay, so I am telling that if you want to create any of the website, if you will use the tool, or if you will use the tools and cloud technology, okay, you can create your website very quickly. I'm going to create it to you. Okay, to create any of the website, what all things will be required? I need a server. Okay, I need a virtual machine. I can go to any of the cloud provider, because here I'm not teaching AWS to you. In today's class, my agenda is not to teach AWS. My agenda is to teach you cloud. Okay, so you can go to GCP, you can go to AWS, you can go to Azure, any of the cloud, whatever you want. Go to the cloud and take the virtual machine. What is virtual machine? One machine which has an operating system. Okay, take any of the flavor, Linux, Windows, whatever you want, you can take it. Okay, install the Docker in it. Okay, Docker is one containerization tool. Install this thing inside of this virtual machine. Download the website, download the code, and run the nginx container. Nginx, what is nginx? Can anyone give the answer? What is nginx?
It's a web service.
It's a web server. Okay, means you want to run a website. So with the help of web server, you can run the website. Run the nginx container with this website and check it over the internet on port 80. Your website is working or not. Hope you understand these 6 steps. 1, go to any of the cloud provider, create a one virtual machine, install a Docker inside it, download the code, run this code with the help of web browser, and verify it. Guys, hope you understood these 6 steps. Yes or no?
Because I'm not aware about Docker container.
I know we haven't started yet. I'm going to teach to you. You don't have to worry. And I'm not going to teach everything in one class. It's a journey. I will teach, but I'm going to create a website with the help of DevOps tools. I will teach. Okay, you don't have to worry, because Docker is one of the big topic. I will take 4 or 5 days to teach you everything related to the Docker. Okay. Okay, guys, hope you understood this 5 steps on a very high level.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, chalo, let's go to the cloud provider. I'm not going into the AWS, because AWS to every day I have to go. Okay, I'm going to the Google Cloud. Yes, I'm into the Google Cloud. I need a virtual machine. So I'm going to the compute instance, and there is a VM instance option is there where we can create a virtual machine. Okay, this is the home page if I want to create a virtual machine. I'm going into this create instance option. Okay, and I'm giving the name. Guys, can anyone raise your hand and let me know so that I will give a name of the machine with your name? Rajesh, Rajesh, FIRST first, WEBSIT. I'm giving the name FIRST first website. Okay, the name is Rajesh first website. Okay, where you want to create? I am not worried at this point. I don't want worried about this thing. I'm creating into the US region. I'm choosing 2 CPU, 4 GB RAM. That's also fine. Okay, I'm not touching anything, guys. I'm going with all default configuration in today's class. Okay, here I'm going into the place where which operating system I need. As I know, Ubuntu is the operating system which is very popular, free of cost. Yes or no?
Yes, Vikas.
Okay, I'm taking the Ubuntu operating system. This is also came automatically. I don't have to worry. I'm just click on the select. Okay, so here Ubuntu operating system has been selected. Okay, and what I'm doing it, I'm not touching any of the configuration. Just I'm allowing the internet because my requirement is I want to create a website. Okay, I'm just clicking here. Okay, and let me go into what we can say. Where is my thing? Let me write down this step. Okay, in place of this step I will write down this all steps. Okay, copy into the notepad so that I can give it to you all the things to you as well. I'm opening a new tab. I'm opening it here. Okay, I go to the cloud provider. Yes, I went it, create a virtual machine. I created Rajesh FIRST first website. Okay, I'm done with the step 2. Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, I'm here. Yes, Rajesh virtual machine is up and running. Okay, means I have done with the step 2. Cool. Okay, now what is the next requirement? I want to install a Docker. Docker is one of the DevOps tool which I haven't teach you, but I'm going to run in front of you. Okay, I will teach everything. You don't have to worry. You can understand this is one of the tool for making the containers. Okay, what is container? Container can be operating system. Container can be any of the ready-made application as well. Okay, my requirement is I want to install Docker. So what I have to do it, I have to connect to this machine. Yes or no? So I have to click on SSH option so that I can connect to this machine. Okay, let me click here. Okay, it will take some couple of seconds and I will be landed into the machine. Let's wait. Yes. Okay, this is my name, my account name. Okay, this is Rajesh machine, right? This is the Rajesh first website. Can anyone let me know one of the Linux command how to check the IP address of this machine? Any of the
IP config.
IP config.
IP config, IPCONFIG. Okay, with the help of this, sorry,
IF
Space
config.
IP space config.
no, it's not a
IF config, I think.
IF config, right? IFCONFIG. I'm pressing enter. Okay, and yes, I'm seeing some IP address 10.128.051. 10.128.051. Yes, it's the same machine. Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, and there is an easy command also. Okay, HOSTNAME -I. Okay, it will give the IP address. Okay, I will teach you all these things, Linux as well. Okay, no need to worry. Okay, so I connected to this machine. Okay, what is the next requirement? I want to install a Docker. I'm just making as a root user at this point. I am Vikas user. Okay, I don't have all the accesses into this machine, so I'm becoming a root user with the help of I command sudo -i, and I become the root user. This has the highest privileges into the Linux machine. Good, all good till now? Yes or no?
Yes.
This command, as I want to follow the best practice. As soon as I downloaded the operating system, I'm updating that operating system. So with the help of sudo apt update command, I'm updating my machine. Okay, I will teach all this thing into the Linux class. No need to worry.
Hello, Vikash. One time to interrupt you. Actually, apt get update and apt install. These are for only for Ubuntu, right? So we
Yes.
have to specifically choose Ubuntu, or we can choose any other flavor.
If let assume you are choosing some line, what we can say, any other family thing, okay, CentOS, then you can use the yum command in place of apt. You can use yum, not a problem.
Okay.
Okay, I will create Ubuntu machine. I will create yum machine, what we can say, CentOS machine also in future. Okay, my machine has been updated. Okay, my next requirement is I want to install a Docker. So apt install docker.io. As soon as I will run this command, the Docker will get installed in my machine. Okay, uh, let me run this command. Let me check the version first, it is there or not. Okay, docker-v, I'm just running this thing, and you can see that at this point I'm getting an error, Docker is not available. Okay, and he is giving the same command to me, apt install docker.io. I'm copying this command from here. Okay, apt install docker.io, and I'm running it. Okay, and it is asking a confirmation that sub 360 MB size will be required to download. I'm saying okay, yes, no worries, install it. Okay, I press Y, the Docker is going to install it. Okay, till here I'm done with the Docker installation. Okay, it will 42%, it will take some couple of seconds, and Docker will be installed in my this machine. Guys, hope everyone is here, right? Everyone able to understand what I'm doing it? Now I'm running the same command again, docker-v. Yes, Docker version 20 has been installed in my machine. I'm copying this. Okay, and I'm putting it here. I'm done with the Docker installation. 20 version has been downloaded. Cool, yes or no? All good till now?
Yeah.
Step 3, I'm done with the step 3. Okay, next step is as I'm telling, download the website, means I need a website code. Chalo, let's come to online website. Okay, we can go to this website, CSS, free CSS website. I'm going into this website, and let's choose any of the website, whatever you want. Okay, I'm going to the free CSS template. Okay, guys, tell me which website you want. Okay, Digo, or we can say Bloggy, or whatever the website you want. Wedding, anyone is going to get wedding here in couple of days or couple of months? Are yes or no? No one is going to marry?
No, I guess.
Okay, chalo, leave it. Then choose any other website. Okay, if you don't like it, this website, leave
This
it.
hangover one, that
Hangover one, which one was in the first page? Let me go into the hangover one.
yeah,
Hangover,
this one.
hangover. Okay, chalo. Who is this? Adiraj is choosing the hangover one. I'm going into this website. Okay, this hangover one. If let me look at how exactly it will look like live demo. Okay, this website will look like this to me. Okay, if I will create this website, it should look like this to me. Agree with my point? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, what I am doing it, I am copying the code. Okay, copy link address. In Windows, if I will click here, it will get downloaded in my machine. Done. Okay, but in Linux, I have to copy the link address. Okay, I have to go here, and with the help of wget command. Okay, wget command will download the complete website into this place. Wget, and I am giving the URL to this. Okay, www.freecss.com and hangover.zip file. So whatever the downloaded I did into the Windows, same 2.7 MB will be downloaded into my Linux machine. With the ls command, I can see yes, hangover.zip file has been downloaded. Means my code has been came into the Linux machine with the help of very small command wget. Okay, means I have downloaded the website as well. If let assume I downloaded the website in Windows, I want to open it, guys. This is zip file, yes or no?
Yes.
I have to unzip it, right? So I need some tool, yes or no? Right? So in Linux also I have to get one tool. Okay, that the tool name is unzip. Okay, I'm just installing that tool. Okay, I'm just installing that tool with the help of same command, apt install unzip. Okay, at this point the tool is not available, so that I am installing the tool apt unzip. Okay, the tool will get installed in my machine. Okay, and then I am running the command unzip unzip. And what is the website, what is the thing I have downloaded? Okay, let me type ls. Okay, and hangover.zip is the file. I'm just typing unzip unzip command, hangover, .zip file. I'm pressing enter so that this file has been unzipped in my machine. Okay, I get one folder hangover.master file. Means I unzipped it with the help of unzip command. All good till now?
Yes.
Okay, good. Okay, so I'm done with the step 4 as well. Now the next step is I will use the nginx container with the help of Docker, and I will run this website. How can I run it? What is the folder name? My folder name is hangover.master. I'm copying this code and I'm just running this command, changing this command little bit to the hangover.master, and I am running a Docker on port 80. Let me go to the IP address of the machine first. Okay, and I will give the IP address of the machine to you all. Okay, this is the public IP of the machine. Okay, I'm going in my machine. I'm going into the incognito of the machine and double column 80. Okay, and I'm just pressing enter. At this point, anything is working? Guys, yes,
No.
tell me. No,
No.
right?
No.
Nothing is working, right? I'm just going here and I'm giving the URL to you also. You can also open it and check it. Is the URL is working for you? No, right? It's not working because nothing is running there. Okay, what I have to do it with the help of Docker. Okay, I am just running one nginx container with the master hangover master code, and I am just running this command. I will teach everything, guys. You don't have to worry. Okay, you don't have to worry now only. Okay, this is the very day one. Okay, I'm just copying this code and I'm running into my this server. Okay, I'm going here and I'm pressing enter. Okay, I press enter. It will download the nginx, it will create a container, it will extract, and everything will be done. Okay, from my side I am done. I'm just verifying it. DOCKER PS running processes. At this point he is telling from the 8 seconds something is running. Let's go to the UI, let's refresh this page and see the magic. Your hangover website is up and running. Guys, refresh your pages. Guys, refresh your page and confirm to me it is working or not.
Yes,
Yes,
it is
because
working.
it is working.
Working? Everyone happy? Is this difficult?
No.
How many minutes I need? I have to just run 2 commands. That's it, and I'm done. Okay, within 5 minutes or within 2 minutes, I can create any of the website. Right now, yes, obviously, if you want to change, who will provide this code to us? The developers will provide. Yes or no?
Yeah.
Code will be provided by the developer, and
Yes.
things we will use because we are the DevOps engineer. This is our DevOps work. Code is a developer work. Done. And yes, we will run this one command, and here our website is up and running. Cool. Very good. Hope you understood this thing. The beauty of DevOps, the beauty of DevOps tools, the beauty of Docker. The game player is virtual machine. The things will come by the cloud. Means what all things will be required? First, any of the machines, you have to go to the cloud provider, we have to create a machine. Okay, and then we have to install a Docker, and then we have to download the code from any of the code, whatever we want. Okay, and then if we will download the code, and yes, we will run with the help of Docker command, and I will teach everything. You don't have to worry, I will teach. Okay, and the command is running, and yes, our website is up and running. That's why we DevOps engineers are getting paid, because the tools are working for us and we have to learn this all. And I'm going to teach you all these things. I will start with the Linux, I will start with the Docker, I will start everything. I will teach everything. You don't have to worry. Chalo, let's take another use case. Another use case. Everyone heard about the Windows 11 operating system? Yes or no?
Yes.
It came.
Yes.
It already means beta version is already released. Right? Anyone here who is installed into the local machine and using it? Let me know it is you are using or not.
No, Vikas.
No.
Why no? You have to use it. Give some answer, yeah, some real answer. Why you are not using it? It will take a
Update
time.
is.
Chalo, go ahead, give the answer.
It's not available. Like only beta version is released, I think.
No, the full version is also came. not full version. Yeah, inside a preview is running at this point. Okay, but we can use it if your hardware is supported. We can use it. Chalo, some other answers why you are not using Windows 11. It will take a 3 hours, 10 hours to install and all these things. Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, one reason hardware is not supporting. Second reason, what else will be the third reason?
Running out of network. Network
Running?
data balance.
Hey, what is this? This is not a real answer at this point. Okay, everyone has unlimited data. Chalo, not a valid answer. What else? Okay, you are telling that I cannot download 4 GB. Okay, I don't have data.
Maybe
Yes.
It might be unstable.
It may be unstable. Okay, chalo, let's verify. Can we verify today?
Even the best answer we can say that maybe we are not aware of how to download and how to do that, how to use that.
Subanshu, what you can do it, go to the Microsoft website.
No, that I know that I know, but
Okay.
sometimes maybe for the new beginner persons, maybe
Chalo,
they are not
okay.
aware of
No
that.
worries, no worries. I have the answer for everything. Okay, chalo, let's do and let's create a Windows 11 in this server only. Okay, in this server only. Okay, at this point, this website is running on port 8080 for me. Okay, let me run this Windows 11 on 3000 port. Okay, at this point, anything is running on this 3000. No, sorry, not a correct URL. Let me correct it 1 second. Okay, at this point you can see that in the 3000 port anything is running. No, right? Nothing is running, correct? You guys give the answer, please.
No,
Yes, no, it is
Hey,
not
what is
running.
running? Who is telling yes? What is running? Let me know.
Yes, it's not running. I
Okay,
mean to say.
guys, everyone confirm me, please, because this is very interesting. Soumya, confirm it. Shivam, Ranju, Yoga, Yoga Maya. Nothing is running, right? Can I run Windows 11 in this 3000 port? And everyone will see the magic.
Yes, please.
Okay, chalo, no worries. I do have the command ready. Okay, with the help of Docker is already installed. Okay, I am just installing Windows 11, which is not exactly the complete operating system. It's a React code of the Windows 11. Okay, React code of the Windows 11, which I'm running on 3004. I'm taking this command completely. Okay, I'm copying this command and I'm running it here. Guys, let me know. Can I run this command? If you will say yes, then only I will run it. Can I press enter?
Yeah. Yes.
I'm pressing enter. Okay, I pressed it. Okay, it is downloading all the Windows 11 related components. Container downloaded, created, and it's running. Refresh it and check it. Is Windows 11 running? Let me refresh it. Let me share my screen. Okay, let me refresh this page. Guys, welcome to Windows 11. Yes, Windows 11 has been ready. It's working. Okay, it's a React course. It's not exactly operating system, but 90% things are same. 9:34 a.m. 9:34 a.m. of my local machine. 7 February. Yes, 7 February. Okay, this is the user. I'm signing into this user. Okay, about. Okay, it will ask the confirmation that this has been created by this person. I don't worry. Okay, clicking OK. Yes, Windows 11 is up and running. Refresh. Everything is working. Guys, hope it is working for you as well.
Yes, it is running.
It is running.
Yes, because it is running.
Okay, go and explore. Okay, open. Okay, most of the things will be available. It will be work. Okay, about this. Okay, this thing, you can verify it. It is Windows 11 emulator. Okay, it's not completely operating system, but yeah, kind of emulator which has been created by one of the developer, React developer. Okay, and yes, with the help of Docker, we can run it in any of our own server as well. That's the beauty of Docker. Things will be very fast, super fast, and very quickly. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
I hope some options are running for me. So for you also, some options will be running. Okay. It's not 100% Windows 11. It's an emulator for Windows 11. Okay. Means it's developed into the React. But yeah, for the learning purpose, I want to demonstrate that Windows 11 UI kind of thing. Yes, you can look and feel the Windows UI here. Windows update, how the UI will be like, check for update. All the things will be working. Most of the things are working. Not everything, but most of the things are working. Connected with internet, 5 GB, 7 GB data usage, all this information. How the Windows 11 will look like, it will look like this to you. You saw the magic of DevOps or Docker. This is the magic. Guys, ask the questions. Okay. You are not trusting me. It is running on my server, or you are trusting?
No, it's running our servers. I mean, like our web pages as well.
Right? And can I shut down it? Okay. See, DOCKER PS, Docker PS. At this point, I'm telling that 3000 server, it is running from the last 2 minutes. Okay. I want to stop it. DOCKER STOP. Okay. Docker stop command. I'm just stopping this container. As soon as I press enter, it will be down for you, for everyone. I'm just downing it. Okay. I just stop it. Okay. Docker stop. It will take some couple of seconds. Okay. And it will be down for us. Give a time. Yes, it has been down. Let's refresh it. It is working. It's not working. Okay. Means it was running on my Docker container. Do you want to see the code of this thing? The code is available here. Oh, sorry. I will give the code link as well. Okay. Where this has been developed. Guys, all good? Able to understand? Able to imagine the things? How things are easy? How fast?
Yes, Vikas.
Yes, Vikas.
Okay. Cool, guys. Cool. I think that's it for today. Okay. And this
because
is
in this, if you don't mind, yeah, please stay on this. Sorry, not that one. Previous one.
Okay, this one. Yeah, right.
Yeah. So on the technology name insured, we used what we downloaded the website Hangover.
Correct.
So can we do a multiple, websites at a particular after installing the Docker and all? So can we run multiple web pages?
Yes, you can run it, but it's not good. You have to run. See, if it's a website, you have to run on port 80. Okay, the primary requirement. Yes or no? But you can remove the hangover and you can run it, or you can run it on different port as well. That is also possible, but it's not a good practice. If you want, you can put this in place of this technology keyword. Whatever you will download, if it's your own port, you can run it with this keyword and it will work.
Okay. So what was the ports from 80 to some, like, could you please tell me, like?
See, ports range from the, what we can say, from 1 to 699,950. Whatever you want, you can use it.
Oh,
okay.
It's not particular, like, for web pages for this, and it's not allocated.
No. For websites, it will be 80. Okay, because I know, everyone knows that website will run on port 80. So the best practice says that if you want to run a website, yes, run on port 80.
Okay.
Okay. So I will teach. Okay. Database has to be run on different port. Okay. Website has to be run on different port. Applications should run on different port. It will be like that. Okay. And see, if you want to run any of the website, yes, you can run it, but don't run it on another port. No one will get to know. Only you are aware that you are running on port 85, right? But how other will get to know? They will not get to know. Correct?
Yes.
So don't run it on any other port. What you can do it, you can create a new server and run on port 80 only. It's a good practice.
3000 was the port for OS,
React.
right?
It's a React port.
Okay.
And I'm following the best practice on it. Okay.
So hi Vikas, Yogma here. So one thing I wanted to know that you have pulled the Nginx using Docker.
Correct. Yes.
But the page, whatever you have shown, like hangover page, so that is already configured in Nginx /HTML.
No, I have downloaded from this website. The pages was here. I have downloaded this hangover website, right? In the Linux machine. See here. This is the page was here. Hangover master. Here is the index.html page. I'm just running. See, in my local machine also it was running. This is the page I converted, changed to the nginx page with the help of this command. Where is the command? Here is the command. I changed the HTML page with this page. That's it. Okay, make sense?
Okay. Yeah, got it.
Okay, because see, I did some steps with the help of Docker. Okay, and see, if you will see manually, yes, you can guys download it in your Windows machine and check it. Yes, index.html, whatever is running is same page I am using it. It makes sense, Yogmaya?
Okay. Yeah.
Guys, ask your questions. Ask your question, please, if you have anything, because that's it. I want to take.
Yes. Like you have created a website first.
Correct.
So you have taken that IP.
Correct.
But how you have changed it to like made it 3000 and you were accessing
okay.
Windows 11.
How I change it? See, when I was using with the Docker, I was using port 80. Okay, with the website. Yes or no?
Okay.
When I was running the Windows 11, I was running on port 3000. I will teach. I will teach. I will teach. Okay. I did it with this command. That's why it is running.
Okay.
Okay.
I was saying that you have created a website and suddenly we are accessing OS.
Bat file you are thinking?
No. We were creating a website, right?
Correct. Okay, you went somewhere, man, in between.
Okay, yeah, maybe.
Okay. So yes, I use this command, Docker command only, to run the Windows 11 React emulator. Okay. Not exactly operating system. In future, if it's available, I will show it also. Okay. If the image of what we can say container of Windows 11 will come exact, I will the first person, I will give it to you. Okay. You don't have to worry. So that we will run with the same, with the help of same command, we will run Windows 11. We will test. I will also test everything. If all good, then only I will install in my machine.
Okay.
Cool. Yeah. Okay. In the today's thing, okay, let's come into this place. Okay. We have required virtual machine, operating system, Docker, Nginx tool, and website. These 5 things is the combination to create one website, right? So if the virtual machine and operating system, I'm taking it, okay, means I'm taking the infrastructure from the cloud provider. Okay. If they will provide a Docker or these tools also to me, then I can say it's a platform as a service. They are providing a platform to put my data and I can use it. Okay, that is known as platform as a service. They are providing a platform, they are providing some tools also to me, and I can use it. If they will provide the website also, like facebook.com, youtube.com, they are providing the complete things to me, means I'm using the software as a service from them, and I'm directly using their software. Okay, we are directly using their software, and we are taking as a software as a service. But if you are doing some manual work also, if it's an infrastructure only, yes, it's an infrastructure as a service. If it's a platform they are providing, then platform as a service, software as a service. So I want to say, out of this many, okay, out of this many services, why this thing logged out of this many services, okay, some services are infrastructure as a service, some services are, see, this is EC2 is a infrastructure as a service, okay, this is directly platform as a service, or some as a software as a service also. Make sense? Yes or no? So this all different services distributed into the different varieties. Okay, these varieties are known as service model. Every cloud provider is providing a different varieties of services to us. Some you can directly use it. Email, right? Email service, you can directly use the Outlook or Google gmail.com, right? So that is come in a software as a service. Platform as a service, where what we can say softwares also get installed and available to you. Okay, you have to bring your own data. Let's take an example for my drive. Okay, Google Drive, right? In this Google Drive, they are providing a platform to me. I'm bringing my own data and I'm using it. That means I'm using the platform as a service for the Google Drive. Okay, infrastructure as a service means I'm taking their till Windows machine and operating system, I'm taking it and I'm installing my own. That is known as infrastructure as a service. Guys, all good till now?
Yes.
Cool. Okay, guys, that's it for today. Okay, I don't want to teach everything in one day. Okay, and in the next class we will go take some more things about infrastructure service, platform as a service things, and let's give me 5 more minutes. Okay, 5 more minutes. Okay. As we saw into the AWS, okay, AWS is what we can say, running apps. 68% applications are still running the AWS market, AWS cloud. 68% are still running, means who want to migrate, they already move into the AWS. 68% people are companies are already moved into the AWS. Okay, some more experiments are happening. 15% experiments are happening into the AWS, and what we can say, plan to use. 7% more people or more companies has a plan to use the AWS. Okay, same as Azure. 58% are already running, 22% are experiment is happening, and 8% is planning to run. In Google Cloud, it's very small as compared to AWS and Azure. 19% what we can say are applications are running, 20%, 26% experiments are going on, and 15% plan people are planning to go on. Okay, means this is the at this point market available for different cloud. AWS is on the top. Okay, one part. And whatever, it's, don't feel that if I'm teaching into the Google Cloud, how you will run into the what we can say, run into the AWS, you don't have to worry. Okay, things will be very similar. I am talking about the Ubuntu operating system. The Ubuntu operating system will be available into the AWS. Ubuntu operating system will be available into the Azure. This time I took the virtual machine VM instance from the Google Cloud. You can took the EC2 machine also from the AWS, and you can use it. I will teach everything, you don't have to worry. Okay, so what I want to say here, whatever the services are available in AWS, same services are available into the different cloud as well, but names are little bit different, but services are very similar. The UI will be little bit different, but backend will be always same. Let's take an example. I'm using a Lenovo laptop with Windows 10, which if you're using a Dell laptop with Windows 10, what is the difference? Only the hardware related things are different, but software is completely same. Yes or no? So Windows 10 running on Lenovo, Windows 10 running on the what we can say Dell laptop, Windows 10 running on any other laptop will be always same. Yes or no?
Yes, Vikas.
Yes.
Right. So Ubuntu running on Google Cloud, Ubuntu running on AWS, Ubuntu running on Azure, Ubuntu running on Alibaba Cloud. Everything will be very same. You don't have to worry at all. Okay. This is the beauty, what we can say, not the beauty, but this is the thing, will be very similar in all the clouds. So with my course, I am teaching AWS, but you can compare with the another cloud as well. Okay, if you are very much interested, you can create a Google Cloud account from the next week itself, and we will learn same thing on AWS and Google Cloud as well. Okay, AWS account, so you must have to create it. Okay, I will teach, you must have to create it by everyone. Hope it makes sense. And this is the big picture. You cannot read it, but I will give this sheet to you so that you can compare the another services of every cloud provider, whatever the services are available, whatever in AWS, whatever in Azure, whatever in Google Cloud. Okay, yeah. That's it for today, guys. Go ahead with your questions now. Hope you understood the today's class. My speed was fine. I'm not very fast, or whatever it is. If you have any feedback, you can give it. Yes,
because like when you were creating the virtual machine in Google Cloud, so it was showing some estimated amount there, $25 or something.
Yes, I agree. Yes, I do agree.
So it was a free account, or
it's a free account. Google is providing a free account to us. Okay, you don't have to. For the next 3 months, it will be completely free. They will not charge anything. Okay. Okay. Let me open the same link. Okay. Just give me a second. I will show where exactly. Okay. When I will give this link to you. Okay. If I will give this link to you, okay, you will get an option to activate. Not one, not this one. Let me run it into this browser. What exactly it is, you will get a $3,000 in your account. Okay, so that what will happen, you can use that for your learning purpose. Okay, I will give you the answer. GCP FRE free tier account. Okay, $300. Okay, Means I will teach you how to get a $300 free credit in your account. Okay, so what will happen for your learning purpose? Okay, we will use this 300 free credit. Okay, so that you can use all the services in this $3. Whatever they will detect from this, not from your account or not from your credit card. Okay, I will teach that part. No need to worry. Okay.
Okay, Vikas. Thank you.
Cool. Sure. Yeah, guys. What else?
Because I'm having one question.
Go ahead, Ankur.
Like here in the Google Cloud, we have used Ubuntu to install Docker and all. But like, for example, if you go to Amazon Web Service, we are using different Linux machine, and their code will be also changed. Like for if you want to login as a root user, so we have to type sudo like that. We have to type
no. Sudo hyphen I will work everywhere. Okay, you don't have to worry.
Okay, so like my question is like here in this Ubuntu, we have used Docker PS to check that is anything running on that Docker machine. But for example, if you are using any other Ubuntu version, so their code will be changed or it will be the same?
It will be always same. Let me run the same thing into the Windows. Okay, DOCKR. No need to worry. Okay, let me run this command into the Windows. Okay. Commands will be always same. You don't have to worry. Okay.
Okay.
And if anything is different, I will teach that part. Okay.
No, and see, like for example, for Ubuntu, like CentOS, if you want to install anything, we have to type yum install and that software -es.
I agree.
But here Ubuntu, we have typed different command to install software.
Yes. See, in Ubuntu we have to type apt. Okay.
Apt.
In CentOS we have to type yum. In Ubuntu we have to type apt. Okay. This is
so
the
same. Like so in the same way, if you want to run that Docker PS command, so Docker PS will command run in the same
but you see
way,
here,
or
it's the same. It will be always same. That's a Docker command. See, this is my Windows command prompt. Is my Windows, right? Yes or no? Microsoft Corporation. Okay. DOCKER PS. Okay. Same command will run here as well. Okay. You don't. Okay. Docker command will be always same. Okay. Something is already running. Okay. Docker, what we can say, Windows 11 is already running in my local machine as well. What is localhost, guys? Can you give the answer? What is localhost? Guys, give the answer. What is localhost?
Our local server.
Our local server. Yeah, see, my Windows 11 is running on the localhost as well. Okay, this is running in my local Docker. Got it? Yeah,
got it.
Is running on localhost. Command will be same. You don't have to worry. And if it's different, it's my responsibility. I will teach everything. You don't have to worry about that part.
So like if we having already account on Amazon, so whatever the step you have mentioned, so if you run the same command, we are able to perform this activity, or
obviously
do
yes.
we need?
No, you don't have to do anything new. Whatever I'm teaching, you can run the same command there. Okay, and I will give all these commands to you. You don't have to worry. I will give all this command into the GitHub. I will give all the codes and everything into the GitHub to you guys. Okay, you can directly copy paste and you can use it.
Okay, thank you.
Good. Okay. Guys, I already given the form. Okay, please fill that form. Okay, if you are really interested, want to come tomorrow class as well, you can come. Okay, be comfortable, be confident, and join me.
Hi Vikas. Vikas, today only I filled up this form, but still till now I didn't get that payment permission.
It's okay. It's okay. I'm not very much worried about the payment. Okay, I will send it.
Okay.
Okay. I will send in one shot. Okay, to some you guys. Okay, you don't have to worry.
Sure, Vikas. Thank you.
Okay, you will get it by today evening. Okay.
Hi Vikas.
Yeah. Hi Karthik.
Like I would like to give a little bit background about me.
Karthik, your voice is little bit breaking.
How about now, Vikas?
It's okay, manageable. Yeah, go ahead.
Yeah, like I have 3 years as a .NET developer.
Okay.
So currently I'm working in S&P Global.
Okay.
And before starting into IT industry, like I did some AWS course and I am an AWS certified solutions architect associate.
Good man, good.
So like I want to move from .NET to this DevOps. Like, do you suggest like, is it a work move?
See, you don't have to worry. See, you have a development environment already, development experience already. Okay, it will be really helpful for you. Okay, but see, .NET. If I'm talking about the .NET experience will not be helpful. Your development approach will be very helpful for me. Okay, and I'm going to teach you with the Java, Python. Some .NET code is also will be there. Okay, Go language. This all part I'm going to touch, and I will teach our DevOps to you guys. Okay, it will be really helpful for you. You are welcome to this course.
So because like once the course is done, like how can I say that I have like DevOps? So can I say that the complete 3 years I was into DevOps, something like that?
See, if you know all these things, performing the activity, if you are giving the right answer, you can say that you are working from the last 3 months at least, right?
Okay.
Right. From this today's class also, you can say that yes, you know a lot of things, right?
Yeah.
Correct. And after the 60 days, you will be very much mature. Okay, and you will only give the answer, sir. I want to go for 2 years experience. Okay, I will say okay, come mock interview to me and go ahead. Okay, if you are going, if everything goes well, you can write 2 years, you can write 3 years as well. Not a problem. Resume is in our hand. We can write anything, right?
Yeah.
And let's assume you write a 3 years, okay, and you are feeling that it's very tough. Change it to 2 years. No one is stopping you, right?
Yeah.
Let's start with let's start with 1 year, and after 1 month, after some couple of interview, you feel that no, sir, I'm very good, so I want to write 2 years. Go ahead, man, write the 2 years. No one is stopping you, right? Whatever you want, you can do the things. Change.
Okay. So with this course knowledge, like it would be like we would be having enough knowledge to do that project implementation.
Will be more than enough. Okay. Today only you created the Windows 11, right?
Yeah.
You can write as a Windows 11 as well in new project. Okay.
Okay.
It's not required, but no, you can if you want.
Yeah. Yeah. That's it, Vikas. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you. Yeah, Monisha, right.
When we will get this recording, like what time we will get?
Within half an hour, within 1 hour.
Okay, thank you.
I hope yesterday recording was already there. Hope you guys see.
Yeah, we got it. And so we cannot download those recording, only we can online see, or we can
yeah, you can online see. Okay, you cannot download.
Like even after payment, like even after enrollment also we cannot download
No,
it.
it's not downloadable. Okay, because see, I feel that it was roaming everywhere.
Yeah, no, actually, like sometimes we just, if you're having some downloaded session, we can see some in our free time, but okay, no issue.
See, internet will be always available for everyone.
Yeah, yeah.
Internet is a primary requirement. Okay, and no worries, in some couple of days 5G will come, so it will be very fast. Okay, and see, if you will download this 600 MB every day, it will be very, what we can say, you cannot manage it also, right?
Yeah,
40 classes, it will be 50 GB, 40 GB, right? So your mobile phone will be gone. Okay, you cannot manage it. Okay. So it's not.
So this recording will be available till 1 year or like lifetime.
Buddy, it's a lifetime. Okay, it's a lifetime. Okay, you don't have to worry. Okay.
Okay.
Batch 21, I will give. If you want to see, this is a new account we have taken it. Okay. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. All the batches recordings are here. Okay, you don't have to worry. You are not only one.
Okay.
Full batches are with you. Okay, and in my machine also you can see that I am maintaining, means every some couple of classes happen, batch completed, I will move into my drive and I will provide it to you. Okay, see, this is my recording drive. Okay, batch 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, all these recordings are here. Regular batch, see, all this I have distributed properly. Okay, like this. Okay, 47 day 48. Okay, like this. Batch 22, all these things here. Okay, batch 23, all these things are here. Batch 24, all these things are here. It's running till batch 18. The day 18 happened till 18. Okay, so all 80 recordings are here. Batch 25, okay, which is your batch, morning's recording and evening recording. Okay, and I will maintain in my local and I will give you into the drives as well. You don't have to worry. It's my responsibility. Now, Manisha, makes sense? Got it? Manisha, your voice is not coming to me. Guys, you are able to hear me? Others?
Yes, Vikas.
Okay, cool. Okay, then Manisha side problem. Okay, guys, I think that's it for today. Okay, that's it, and come to the tomorrow class as well. Okay, you will learn a lot. Okay, and
So tomorrow we have the same link, or
same link. It will
you'll
be same. It will be same link. Okay, you don't have to
okay.
worry. Okay, if you will pay the fees, it will be good for me. You will be into the actual group. Okay, else you will be into the public group only. Okay, public to private, I will make you. Okay. Okay, so private, I will pour you into the private group, and tomorrow we will see the beauty of DevOps tools. Okay, today we see the cloud things. Okay, tomorrow we will see the DevOps related tools, and then we will start our actual journey from the Linux. Cool, guys. Thank you. Thank you. That's it for today.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Guys,
Thank you.
any open question, you can ping me anytime into the WhatsApp. Okay. Thank you, guys.
Thank you, guys.
Bye, guys. Sure. And recording, recording will be available in 1 hour to you guys. Okay.
Okay, and the registration details when we'll get?
Yeah, registration link I already given to you. Okay, you can.
I think I have already filled it.
Cool. Okay, so by afternoon I will send the details. Okay.
Okay.
Bye, bye, guys.